Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very first website using HTML. And this is my first tutorial on anything, so be easy on me. Okay. HTML is a web design language, which means the computer processes it as a web design, although you're just typing stuff. Now, the website I'm using to do this is called W3 Schools, and I'm using the Try Editor. The way it works is you can type your code into there, and it will show you what your website would look like without ever having to, actually get a domain name and everything. So the way HTML works is you have your HTML, you type HTML at the top in brackets. Everything is typed in brackets. This is because it's called a tag, and that shows that start of something new. Now you type HTML to let your web browser know that you're using HTML. Now, body and head are the two parts of your web page. Body you can see, head you can't. The body is the part of the web page people can see. Head is for other stuff that, like, if you don't want them to see it. So, right under your HTML, if you're not going to do head, you want to write body. Now, body is basically where you're going to put your entire web page. So I'm going to type hello YouTube. Now that's going to be the text that my web page is going to show. Now, the way you end something is by using a slash. So every time you end something like body or HTML, you have to use a slash. So if you type body like that, you have to put body like that. So if you want body there, and just like you have HTML at the top, you have to put HTML at the bottom with a slash in front of it, so that that's the end. So now I hit edit and click me, and it's going to show me what it would look like. I forgot to finish, I accidentally erased tube, so it just says hello you. So if I put that as a website, that's what will come up. Now, there are different things about editing your text so it looks better, and that's making it colorful. Now, every color has a code to it, and there are thousands of colors. No one wants to remember all those 6-digit numbers and letters. So you just remember a couple, like white, black, red, green, and blue, and you use those most often. Whenever you need a new one, you just look at that index. So I add that by adding font color, and then I put equals, and then in quotations I write the name of that color. And in this case, I'm going to use well, DC, which is a type of gray, whitish thing. And then you end it with a bracket, just like everything else. Okay, so now you can hardly see it because it's like a whitish color. So now I'm going to use 006400. That is green. And if you want green text, that's the thing for you. So now you're going to want, or if you want black, black is regular 000, and I'm gonna find a good color, and I like that dark blue, which is 0008B. So I'm gonna edit that color to go with what I want to see. Now I hit click me, and there you go. You have blue text. Now you can edit the style of your font. Like if you don't want Standard Times New Roman, you want something else, something different. In this case, I want to use Comic Sans MS. So you type face, like the thing on your head, your face, equals, and then in quotation marks you write the font. And as an example, I'm using Comic Sans MS. And that changes it. Now, say you want a heading on your web page. Something to show what it is. You write H1, that's your first heading, H1. You write what you want it to say, well, first, you put the end bracket, and then in between them, you put, well, in this case, welcome to my website. Remember to have a beginning and a start bracket for everything you want to make. So now I'm going to copy and paste this so it's the same font and color as my text. So hit edit and click me, and voila, you have a heading. Now the next thing we're going to do, which is basic on any web page, sorry, just checking how long my video is, is an image. Okay, wait one sec. Just remember that everything you put in there shows up on the other side. If you make one little mistake, it's going to matter a lot. So to do image, you type img inside of a bracket, and then href equals in quotation marks. You find that the URL of an image you want to put on there. So I want that picture of the globe. So I load it up, and I hit copy image URL. That copies the entire URL. And I paste it into my href, and then I end quotation and end bracket. This is embarrassing. Sorry, I did the wrong one. It's not supposed to be href. Let me just look real quick. I think it's supposed to be, yeah, src. So let me go change that real quick. Where it says href, I'm going to type src, and voila, you have a ginormous picture of the Earth on your web page. Now, that picture works, but I think I want one that's a little smaller. So I'm going to go find another one. Flower? No, space thingy. Let's go with this weird space thingy. So I copy the URL and I paste it in between my quotation marks. And voila. Now, it's down there because I didn't put my text into a paragraph. To do that, I put a P in brackets in front of my text. And then I put a /P at the end because every bracket ends with a slash. And now it's at the top. Pretty sure you can write like messages on the picture. Like if I wanted to put space thingy, I would do alt space thingy. Or you do alt equals space thingy. I'm not gonna put it on there yet. But you do alt equals space thingy. Okay, so that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, one more thing, actually. Background color, very important key. I completely forgot. Okay, so I need to go back to my page of colors. And let's pick a good color to go with my blue. How about a lighter blue? So I'm going to pick that ADD 8E6. So I put BG color inside the body bracket equals quotation mark and then what color I want. Remember, BG color stands for background color. And voila, we have a blue background to our website. Okay, so I think that is for realsies it for today. There will be another tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'm going to bookmark this so for next time you still have the same page to work with. And hope you can start maybe building some pages of your own. And that website is w3schools.com if you're interested.